everyone, welcome back to part 2 as promised of the Vilagallo, the great Spanish brand that's a great price point and it's just full of pops of colour. Okay, so the shirt I've got on, I just absolutely love it. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a linen based shirt and it's got all the navies, aquas, and it just feels fabulous. Okay, so yesterday in the video I had the blouse and this is the matching dress that goes with it. Again, a really easy dress, shirt dress. Great colours, button 3/4 of the way down and 2 faux pockets on the front. Again, going for a great pop of colour. That's got all the beautiful candy pinks and navies in the circles. Then we go on to a striped collection. So here we've got the dress that's got the belt and we've also got the blouse. We've done extremely well with these sort of dresses, what I call an absolute great day dress. Shirt dress, so easy to wear, casual, smart, but just wonderful. Then we've got some great just white shirts, and this has got all the cones down the front. So a beautiful quality linen. It's plain on the back, and then I say you've got all the gorgeous coloured ice cream cones on the front. Staying on the white theme, this has almost got the scallop detail, so it's got the oranges, the pinks, the navies, and it's got the scallop detail around the bottom. It's got the V-neck. It's also almost like a bit of a pinafore detail to the front. Going back to the stripes, this is quite unusual. Can you see it's sort of standing off as I'm sharing it with you? It's got the pineapples on there, the stars. It's just full of all the fruit, and again, different shades of pink stripe. This I think is absolutely stunning, and we do have the matching dress in this as well. This is just a very off-white shirt. It's got the almost flowers, the applique flowers that just sort of stand off a little bit. Round collar, with the mandarin collar with like the frill. But again, great against navy, but the quality is fab. This is slightly different. This is a t-shirt and this has got all the pops of colour, the studs on there. So it is black, but we also do this in white as well. And again, those sizes, they go small, medium, large and extra large. Just a couple more, girls. So this is a crisp white shirt. Again, it's got the navy detail to the sleeves there. It's got the detail on the front. Plain back, but you can see the contrast in navy and white. Then I think the final one that I'm going to pick out for you is this beautiful shocking pop of pink. So this has got the zebras, the tigers. It is a 3/4 shirt. It's got all the animals on there. But how fun is that? Great to wear with shorts. And I'll probably say that my star of the show is this easy, beautiful dress. I mean, I just think this is stunning. So it's got the pockets there. You can see the neon orange and pink, the braiding down the front, the tie to the waist, and I say it is a button down, button all the way down. So girls, that is our latest collection of Vilagallo, which, believe you me, it is absolutely fantastic. So either pop in store to see us or have a look online. So take care, have a lovely weekend. Love to see you and all the girls. Bye-bye.